the launch of the Special Intervention Squad, SIS, in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, to address the increasing spate of insecurity in Nigeria and Abuja, the police has yet to perform as expected. The family of the 5 Al-Kadriyar girls who got their freedom from their kidnappers has revealed that contrary to the claim by the Nigeria police that its operatives and those of the Nigerian Army secured their release, ransom was actually paid. 6 girls from the family were kidnapped on January 2, 2024 in the Bwari area of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. One of them was killed following the failure of the family to meet the deadline of the kidnappers for ransom. Abbas Al-Kadriyar, who picked up the girls from the forest, said, "We paid a ransom for the release of our girls. A ransom was paid, and the police were not involved. The children called me, and I went to pick them up. On my way, I saw soldiers at the junction, and the bush is a very thick bush along the Gurera Dam, so I had to call the attention of the soldiers to follow me to the spot where we could locate our children. The bandits left them there to call us to come and pick them up. But we paid a ransom, and no police were involved. The children were not rescued by anyone. The soldiers only assisted me in locating where they were, and they provided a cover for us." Another uncle, Sharifuddin Al-Kadriyar, confirmed, "My elder brother was the one who went to pick up the girls on Saturday, days after we paid the ransom. But the soldiers escorted them back home." The FCT Police Command had claimed that the Al-Kadriyar sisters were rescued by its operatives and those of the Nigerian Army.
Envisioned to include 1,000 personnel in each state of the Federation, the SIS is launched today with officers and men from the tactical units of the force, supplemented by a formidable arsenal of operational assets, including sophisticated arms, drones, and vehicles. These assets, some of which are on display here this afternoon, are ready for deployment to counteract the security threats. This deployment symbolizes our unwavering commitment to the safety and security of our people, sending a clear message that criminal elements will find no sanctuary within the FCT and by extension Nigeria. The SIS will also engage in community-oriented policing, a testament to our philosophy that public safety is a collaborative endeavor. This operation is intended to bring a swift and decisive end to this era of terror. As the SIS begins its operations now, let it stand as a symbol of our collective dedication to a safe and secure Federal Capital Territory, a place where peace and order are not just aspirations but a reality.